Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound, for Monday, 1st June. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro GBP, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite and probably the beloved or the most beloved time frame in the Forex world. And if we just look at the chart, we can see that overall market is in downtrend. Market is in downtrend, or the selling pressure is high in comparison to the buying pressure. Okay, and if I zoom out the chart again, then you can see that market made a big move, and after that, market is in sideways. Okay, and right now market is caught in a range right now. Okay, there is no doubt about it. And if we look at the weekly time frame, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, and I prefer to consult the weekly time frame to know the bigger picture, to know what the big boys are doing. So if we look at the weekly time frame, then yes, weekly time frame is telling us that since 2021, since the starting of this 2021, market is in downtrend, and you can easily see this. And previous week market has formed a inverse kind of a pattern with price rejection from above. Okay, because see, market formed a candle like this, which means that market tried to go up, but the selling pressure was so high the market could not sustain, and as a result it had to come down. Before that also market formed a similar kind of a pattern, which means that, okay, if we consider these two candles on a weekly chart, we can easily see that selling pressure is too high. Okay, apart from this selling pressure, okay, we do not get any support or resistance level on the chart. Okay, so let's switch to a 4 hours time frame and see what should be a strategy then. Okay, if we have a general look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is having a support at this particular price level. Okay, so there is no doubt that market has got good support at this level. Okay, and right now we can see that market is almost standing at the support only. Okay, 0.8577 level. Right now market is setting a support only. So let the market open on Monday. Okay, and just observe the price. If you see that there is not much improvement in the trade, improvement in the buying pressure. If you see that market is still forming red and green candles, there is not much buying pressure, then you can avoid it. Okay, you can avoid it. And if you want to take some risk, then you can go for a risk here. Okay, and if you do not want to take risk, that's totally up to you, because considering these fat red candles, okay, you can easily avoid, because see these candles, try to understand the market psychology here. If we just focus on these candles, then we can easily understand that selling pressure was very high, selling pressure was extremely high. As a result, market formed this kind of candles. So if you see that market is still struggling at the support, then you can avoid, or if you want to take a risk, you can go for a buy at this level, because market has got some support. It totally depends on you, and I will not recommend you to short the market at this price level. Okay, I'll not recommend to short the market this price level, because see, because because market is forming higher highs. Okay, see, market formed a high here, market came down, took support at this level, market went up again. Okay, though market could not go much higher, still market crossed the previous resistance. Market has crossed the previous resistance. Market formed a new high, came down, took support at this level. Market went up again crossed the previous high. So market is forming higher highs. Therefore, this is not an ideal situation to short the market at any level. So right now market is standing at the support, but still there is not much buying pressure. So things are quite complicated here. Okay, things are not very sure. Sure short. Okay, so if you ask me, Avilash, what should I do or what should be our strategy for Monday, then I'll say that observe the market. Okay, in case you see some good buying pressure on Monday, then you can go for a buy order at this level. Okay, otherwise you can avoid. Okay, and personally, I'll just avoid this kind of market because see there are multiple currency pairs available where there are a good amount of opportunity available. For example, just look at Euro JPY. Okay, just look at Euro JPY. Beautiful uptrend. Market is a beautiful uptrend. Instead of going for a chart like Euro JPY, why should I invest or trade on a chart like Euro GBP where things are very complicated, where market is standing at the support but due to selling pressure market is unable to go up? Why should I trade on a chart like this? Simple. So if you want to take a trade, then observe the market on Monday and then take your decision accordingly. But otherwise, apart from this level, there is not much trading opportunity or good trading opportunity here, because see, you cannot short the market here also because market is forming higher highs. So if you want to ask me, or if I've got any suggestion for it, then I'll suggest you to avoid Euro GBP for Monday. Okay, in case there is no buying pressure, then just avoid the market. Okay, rather focus or concentrate on a chart like Euro JPY. Simple as that. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.